Welcome back, everyone, and happy Monday. It's the Monday back after a holiday weekend, and we've got some interesting weather coming for us this week. This weekend, we actually had kind of a little bit of everything in Montana. There was snow on Saturday. Yesterday was a little bit clearer, and you can see on the satellite here that there was kind of a high pressure over us, and that is going to begin breaking down here in the next couple of days. So already some moisture moving into northwestern Montana, but lots behind it off the Pacific coast. So we're going to be seeing some on and off kind of all over the place weather for this week. So off the Rocky Mountain front, you can see some snow in the Canadian Rockies and also in the Northern Rockies in Montana and northwestern Montana here off the Rocky Mountain front. Some snow kind of moving into that area. Also a little bit of a mix of rain and snow depending on the elevation there. So some different weather moving into that area, but the biggest concern in this area is the high wind watch. Now this is for today and all the way through tomorrow evening. So all the way until late Tuesday, there's this high wind is going to be sticking around through overnight tonight and into tomorrow as well. At the moment, winds are already a little bit higher in those areas in north central Montana and off the Rocky Mountain front than other areas, but Livingston also pretty windy as well. There's a wind advisory near Livingston, but a high wind watch off the Rocky Mountain front. So just going a little bit further through today, you can see that'll really start to pick up this afternoon, continuing overnight actually, and then continuing through tomorrow as well. So it's going to be pretty windy here to start out the week, but there's also some other changes coming tomorrow and Wednesday as well. So these winds will be sticking around through Tuesday evening, and then also as that high pressure ridge breaks down over the western U.S., that will make way for lots of this Pacific moisture to move on into Montana. Now, it's kind of an unsettled weather pattern. It's not a big defined system moving through Montana and pushing off to the Midwest like we had last week, but kind of an iffy weather here. So lots of this snow will be falling in the higher elevations, but tomorrow there is a small chance of some rain and snow, a mix of rain and snow in the lower elevations as well for Tuesday and Wednesday, but you can see a lot of that snow just sticking to the divide and the mountains in southwestern Montana. So those areas are going to get the heaviest snowfall through today. Now this will calm down for Thursday. We will get a little bit of a break for Thursday, but you can see lots more moisture off to our west. That'll be moving in Friday into Saturday. So the biggest concern will be Tuesday into Wednesday and then Friday into Saturday. And you can see that the snowfall totals really picking up on Friday into Saturday as well. Plains won't be seeing as much of that snow as the mountains. So it's really going to stay mostly up in the mountains, but still a small chance in the plains that we will get a little bit of snow. Now for today, the highs are going to be in the 30s and 40s, similar to what we had yesterday, but with a couple more clouds as that moisture is kind of moving into north central, or off the Rocky Mountain front and into north central Montana, and that will start to pick up tomorrow as well. So tomorrow into Wednesday. And tonight, it's going to be a little chilly tonight. Of course, it's always chilly overnight, down below freezing again. So if there is any rain that falls today, that will definitely freeze overnight, be kind of slippery on the roads. We're looking at kind of interesting weather. I feel like that's just the best way to describe it because we're getting a little bit of everything here. Now heading into the first day of December, that's Saturday, that's technically the first day of meteorological winter. I know actual winter starts later on, or the calendar winter starts later on in December, but meteorological winter will begin on Saturday. So heading into that, we're getting a mix of rain and snow for Tuesday and Wednesday, and then Friday into Saturday. We'll probably be waking up to a little bit of snow on Saturday morning. So that's seasonal for the first day of winter.
No kidding. I don't know what the calendar says, but it's felt like winter for a while here now.
For about 2 months now.
Yeah, exactly. Katie, thank you.